Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix contact number save but not showing in WhatsApp problem solve. Click settings, click app management, click app list, click WhatsApp, click storage use, click clear cache, click permission, then allow all permission, search contact, open contact, click storage use, click clear cache, click permission, then allow all permission, then open Google Play Store, search WhatsApp. If you get any update, please update. Open WhatsApp, click chat bubble, open the three dot, tap on refresh. Thanks for watching.